back to Completely Irrelevant. Just want to give you a little quick update on this cool, awesome structure over here. But check this out, man. Here we are, and here it is. Awesome lighthouse. Just remember who built this thing. Me, baby. And Andrew, but he's not here. He's probably at work, working hard. But check this out, man. Don't ever forget what you can build and what you can't build. Because, man, I don't know how we even did this. A freaking hexagon, 17 feet tall. That's some work right there, man. That's some real work. So check this out, man. It's still here. Strong as ever. Just want to remind you guys, for a little breath of inspiration right here, you can build anything you want, if you want to. But remember, first you have to subscribe and like and comment to our channel if you like to comment. Because you know what? That's freaking for real, for real. I just wanted to say a little thing right here. While I'm here, why I got you. Check out the new band channel, A for I. So go there, check it out, subscribe to our awesome channel for our band. And man, keep on keeping on, because you know what? Life's a garden. Dig it. You make it work for you. So have a good time. Check you later. And just remember, in the vastness of space, this is completely irrelevant. Peace. All right, I guess I'm just gonna have to climb up in here. Like, why wouldn't I, man? Whoa, nice. All right, you guys, you dare me? 1 second. Oh, shit. I guess you guys never really got to climb up here with me. Let's climb up together. Show me who's boss. Oh God, I feel so trapped. Plexiglass. Check this out. You just put a little silicone on there. Have some tabs for spacers with some mirror holders, and man, you got it made. It's trapping, but you know what? It's kind of nice. It's kind of private. I kind of like it. Don't forget your homemade beacon. I have an old disco ball light. That stuff's pretty cool too. Yeah, so it's pretty rad up here, not gonna lie. One more thing. Don't forget to subscribe, man. One more thing. I got nothing. I want to sit in my tower and nap. There's just not enough room. Alright, man. Let's get out of here. Just don't look down. Yeah, that's pretty sweet. Alright. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Like and comment below if you'd like to comment. Make sure you really actually subscribe. Hit that little bell. Get notified, because this... Whew. While I got you here, let's go check something out. It's gonna be really cool. I promise. We're out here at my dad's house. Good old Oregon wildlife. And let's check this out. Okay. Man, this is what you do when you have a lot of beans and just a little bit of PVC. What? Check that out, man. It's a beautiful canopy of green beans and purple beans and any type of beans that you really want. Get a little close up. Boom. It's like an amazing tunnel. You can just like go in here, hang out, put a little chair in here. It's like this PVC literally costs like what? $10 to get. Yeah, like $10, $20, whatever. You just put a little fence around it, put a little bit of hoops, and man, you got it made. Check that out, man. Anyways, this is what you do. You walk in here, walk in your hoops, get some beans, peace out. Just a little tip, little pro tip here from Completely Irrelevant. And just remember, in the vastness of space, this is completely irrelevant, but it's also freaking cool, man. It's just cool. It's just cool biz. All right, peace out. Welcome back to the studio of Completely Irrelevant. Right here, I'm gonna do some cool stuff. I'm gonna build some stuff, but guess what? You don't get to know. But soon, Soon we'll do some really cool stuff. We'll build a few more things that Andrew and I need for some microphone setup. So check back real soon here on Completely Irrelevant. Peace. So make sure you subscribe to our channel if you want to see more awesome stuff here at Completely Irrelevant. Hit up Andrew and I on our website. Email us anytime. It's cool. So check this out.